Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on compound interest worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on the topic of compound interest. We've done a lesson on this very topic, so if you need any help or you're not sure what to do, on the very last slide there is a link, and if you click on the link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Now also at the end, on the second last slide, I have all the answers for all these problems, so you can check how you went. I'll leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. And remember, if you need help, go to the last slide and click on the link, and I also have all the answers for you at the end of this slide. So again, I'll leave this slide on for a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, we'll move on to the next slide now, which are the answers, and here they are. So you can check these answers and you'll be able to see how you went. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and then you can click on the link if you need any help. And here is the last slide.